Hi everyone. So in this video we'll see how to install the Conda Miniconda in our local computer. So you can do a Google search and search for Conda. There is a documentation. You can directly go into the installation page, and in the installation page there is a system requirement. So you can either download 32-bit or 64-bit as per your computer configuration, and you can then select what is your operating system. So I'm currently on the Windows, so I will click on the Windows. And here there are two versions, the Miniconda and the Anaconda. So Miniconda is just what the base version. So we can click on that and it will download. To download this Miniconda, you can select. I'm on the 64-bit, so I will click on this and we start the downloading. So within a few seconds, download is complete and we can click on this. And it says the installation process has started. So click next. You can read the terms and conditions. For now, I will just click I agree. Install for will keep for me as well, just me. And I will keep this the base path. I will not change the destination folder. Click next. So here are the few options. Create a short start menu shortcut. Yes. And the next one is the add mini counter to my path. So let me add that because it is you can, as it says, not recommended because this can lead to conflict with other application. Instead the command prompt and PowerShell menu to add to the Windows start menu. For I will just do it and click next. Setting up the package is started. Okay, it will take few seconds. Click next. Cool. And let's verify. So we have a prompt now. Can type Python. Yep. So we have installed the mini version of Conda. And if you want to install the any packages, so what you can do, you can you either use the conda install package name syntax or pip install package in package name syntax. So if you're using conda, the recommended is you can use the conda update package name if you want to update the package, and if you want to install again the conda install package name. Also, if that is not supported, you can always use pip install package name. So that's how you install the mini anaconda in your locals. Thank you.